Welcome to the world of Trulicity, where weight loss meets complaints. In this video, we will take you on a journey to explore the benefits and potential concerns surrounding this popular medication. Trulicity is a medication commonly prescribed for type 2 diabetes that has gained attention for its potential to aid in weight loss. With obesity on the rise, finding a solution that not only helps to manage blood sugar levels but also promotes weight loss is a game changer for many individuals. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows when it comes to Trulicity. As with any medication, there are potential side effects and complaints that users have reported. It's essential to understand these concerns to make an informed decision and have a comprehensive understanding of what to expect. In this video, we will provide an in-depth look at the benefits of Trulicity for weight loss and delve into some of the common complaints and side effects that users have experienced. Whether you are considering Trulicity as a weight loss solution or simply curious about its effects, this video will provide you with valuable insights to make an informed decision. So, let's dive into the world of Trulicity and uncover the truth. How does Trulicity work for weight loss? Trulicity, also known by its generic name dulaglutide, belongs to a class of medications called GLP-1 receptor agonists. GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1, a hormone naturally produced by the body that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Trulicity works by mimicking the effects of GLP-1 in the body. When Trulicity is injected once a week, it helps to stimulate the release of insulin, which lowers blood sugar levels. Additionally, Trulicity slows down the emptying of the stomach, which can increase feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. This combination of effects can lead to weight loss in individuals with type 2 diabetes who are overweight or obese. It's important to note that Trulicity is not a magic pill for weight loss. It is intended to be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise. While Trulicity can help with weight loss, it is not a substitute for lifestyle changes. It is crucial to maintain a balanced approach to achieve long-term weight loss goals. Benefits of using Trulicity for weight loss. Using Trulicity for weight loss offers several benefits for individuals with type 2 diabetes. First and foremost, it helps to manage blood sugar levels, which is essential for overall health. By regulating blood sugar levels, Trulicity can reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes, such as heart disease and nerve damage. Furthermore, Trulicity has been shown to promote weight loss in individuals with type 2 diabetes. In clinical trials, patients taking Trulicity experienced significant weight loss compared to those taking a placebo. This weight loss can have a positive impact on overall health and well-being, as excess weight is often associated with increased risk of various health conditions, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. In addition to its benefits for blood sugar control and weight loss, Trulicity is convenient to use. It is administered as a once-weekly injection, which makes it a more user-friendly option compared to other medications that require daily dosing. This convenience can be particularly appealing for individuals who may struggle with adherence to a daily medication regimen. Potential side effects of Trulicity. Like any medication, Trulicity comes with potential side effects that users should be aware of. Common side effects reported by patients taking Trulicity include nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. These side effects are generally mild and tend to improve over time as the body adjusts to the medication. In rare cases, Trulicity may cause more severe side effects, such as pancreatitis or thyroid tumors. It is essential to discuss any concerns or symptoms with your healthcare provider promptly. They can assess your individual risk factors and determine if Trulicity is the right choice for you. It's worth noting that everyone's experience with medication can vary, and not all users will experience side effects. It's essential to weigh the potential benefits against the potential risks and have an open conversation with your healthcare provider to make an informed decision. User reviews and success stories with Trulicity for weight loss. Many individuals have shared their positive experiences with Trulicity for weight loss. User reviews and success stories often highlight the effectiveness of Trulicity in managing blood sugar levels and promoting weight loss. One user reported that Trulicity helped them lose over 20 pounds within a few months of starting the medication. They also mentioned feeling more energized and motivated to make healthier choices. Another user shared that Trulicity significantly reduced their cravings for sugary foods, leading to better control over their diet and weight loss success. It's important to remember that individual results may vary, and Trulicity may not work the same way for everyone. However, these success stories can provide inspiration and motivation for individuals considering Trulicity as a weight loss solution. Common complaints and concerns about Trulicity. While Trulicity has shown promise as a weight loss aid, it's not without its share of complaints and concerns. Some users have reported experiencing gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea and diarrhea, particularly during the initial weeks of treatment. These side effects can be bothersome and may require adjustments in dosage or lifestyle modifications to manage. Another common concern is the cost of Trulicity. As a brand name medication, it can be more expensive compared to generic alternatives. However, it's worth exploring options such as insurance coverage, patient assistance programs, or discussing generic alternatives with your healthcare provider to make it more affordable. Additionally, some individuals may have concerns about the long-term effects of Trulicity. Since it is a relatively newer medication, there is still ongoing research to determine its safety and efficacy over extended periods. It's important to stay informed and discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. Tips for maximizing the effectiveness of Trulicity for weight loss. To maximize the effectiveness of Trulicity for weight loss, it's essential to incorporate healthy lifestyle habits. Here are some tips to consider. Follow a balanced diet. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar intake. Engage in regular physical activity. Incorporate exercise into your routine, such as brisk walking, cycling, or strength training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Stay consistent with medication. Ensure you take Trulicity as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Set reminders if needed to help you remember your weekly injection. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Regularly check your blood sugar levels and keep track of any changes or patterns. This can help you and your healthcare provider assess the effectiveness of Trulicity and make any necessary adjustments. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water can help with digestion and overall well-being. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's essential to be patient and consistent with your efforts. Trulicity can be a valuable tool, but it is not a standalone solution. By incorporating healthy habits, you can enhance the effectiveness of Trulicity for weight loss. Alternatives to Trulicity for weight loss. While Trulicity has shown promise for weight loss in individuals with type 2 diabetes, it may not be suitable for everyone. Some individuals may experience intolerable side effects, have contraindications, or prefer to explore alternative options. Here are a few alternatives to consider. Other GLP-1 receptor agonists. Trulicity is just one of several GLP-1 receptor agonists available on the market. Other options include Victoza, liraglutide, Byetta, exenatide, and Ozempic, semaglutide. These medications work in a similar way to Trulicity and may be worth discussing with your healthcare provider. Metformin. Metformin is a common medication prescribed for type 2 diabetes. While it may not have specific weight loss benefits like GLP-1 receptor agonists, it can help manage blood sugar levels and may have a modest effect on weight. Bariatric surgery. For individuals with severe obesity and uncontrolled diabetes, bariatric surgery may be considered. Procedures such as gastric bypass or gastric sleeve surgery can lead to significant weight loss and improved blood sugar control. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the most suitable treatment option for your specific needs and goals. Consultation and prescription process for Trulicity. If you are interested in exploring Trulicity as a weight loss solution, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider. They will assess your medical history, current medications, and overall health to determine if Trulicity is a suitable option for you. During the consultation, be prepared to discuss your weight loss goals, any previous weight loss attempts, and your willingness to make necessary lifestyle changes. Your healthcare provider will provide guidance on proper usage, dosage, and potential side effects. Once prescribed, Trulicity can be obtained from a pharmacy. It's important to follow the instructions for storage and administration provided by your healthcare provider or the medication packaging. Conclusion and final thoughts on Trulicity for weight loss. Trulicity offers a promising option for individuals with type 2 diabetes who are looking to manage their blood sugar levels and promote weight loss. With its once-weekly injection and potential benefits, it has become a popular choice among individuals seeking a comprehensive approach to their health. However, it's crucial to consider the potential side effects and individual factors when deciding if Trulicity is the right option for you. By having an open conversation with your healthcare provider and incorporating healthy lifestyle habits, you can maximize the effectiveness of Trulicity for weight loss. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, commitment, and an individualized approach. Trulicity can be a valuable tool, but it should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and other lifestyle modifications. By taking a comprehensive approach, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching.